So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see Samsung Galaxy A17 network drop signal problem. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues that your network is dropping again and again and random disconnect or weak connection on your network, so this video help you to resolve this issue. First thing is guys, you simply switch to 5G 4G to 5G mode. So make sure that you enable the auto, because some if you are select particularly any mode like 5G, so where the coverage is 4G, so it's stuck. So make sure you selected the auto. Okay, then guys, you remove and reinsert your sim card once. So guys, you simply remove your sim card once and reinsert it helps to refresh your network. Okay, then guys, you reset your APN setting. For resetting the APN setting, you simply open the settings. In the settings section, simply go to the option of connection. In the connection, here is the sim card. After sim card, you select your sim card and simply reset your APN settings also. Okay, then guys, you turn off your battery saver, because the battery saver stop lot of the background processes. So you simply go back, simply swipe down and make sure that your power saving is turned off. Okay, just long press it and turn off. Okay, so here you see, when you turn it, it's limit your CPU, it decrease your brightness, it set motion to the standard, turn on dark mode, and lot of the thing it shows. Okay, last thing is guys, you try to reset your network. For resetting the network, simply go to the settings. In the settings section guys, go to the option of general management. Here you go general management. After that, simply click on the option of reset, and guys, here you see the option of reset mobile network. So guys, these are the basic things that you can learn to resolve this issue. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe.